Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Blueprint Design and I am Nikhil. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the different methods and options of easing that you can use in your designs. So first of all, what is easing? And if you've ever created a prototype or created any interactions in your designs, you also at some point may have wondered about what exactly is easing. Easing is the change of speed of the animation over time. There are multiple options and different ways in which you can realize the easing options in your animations as well. And to be honest, easing plays a big role in how your animations are perceived by the user. And we're going to be looking at the different options and the different ways of easing that are available in Adobe XD. So let's get started. The very first option in easing is linear easing, or with what it's normally called as no easing. And in this option, the objects that you select and the animations that you create do not change their speed during the course of the animation. And when perceived by the user, this may look as a bit robotic or mechanical because there is no organic change or acceleration into the motion or deceleration when stopping or the towards the end of the animation. And this honestly does not represent the human or the real world, and that's why this option of easing may not be the best when presented to the user. The second option for easing is the ease out motion, where the objects during the animation they accelerate out of the action or decelerate towards the end of their animation. So as you can see over here, the graph where the speed of the object actually reduces over time and then stays constant towards the end of the motion. It is more organic because the motion of the object actually stops towards the end, and it mimics real world as if a moving car on a road were to stop at a traffic light, and that happens organically. The third option for easing is ease in, wherein the object in question accelerates into the action, that is, accelerates into the animation. The object is stationary in the beginning and then it gains more speed, as you can see over here, and then the speed of the object actually remains constant towards the end of the animation. So you can perceive this as a standing car actually picking up speed when the traffic light hits green. The next option for easing is ease out. You can think of this option as the combination of ease out and ease in, wherein the motion more closely resembles that of the real world. The object accelerates into the action in the beginning of the animation, as you can see from the graph over here. As the animation nears the end of it, the object decelerates out of the action to come to a halt. And this is a great choice for point to point animations for your designs, and it's more organic. The next option for easing that you may have noticed in Adobe XD is snap. And as you can see an example over here, the object actually starts the animation with a constant speed, but then towards the end of the animation, it actually moves further ahead from the destination and then pulls back into place. And in the real world, you may have seen the kitchen cabinets locking or opening, and this easing method actually mimics that action. The next option for easing is wind up, and you can think of this as the opposite of the snap easing method, wherein the object is in the start of the animation pulled back from its initial position and then it accelerates towards the end of the animation. And you can think of this as the game of Angry Birds, wherein you pull the birds with rubber elastic towards the back, and it creates the potential energy, and as you throw them, they follow the trajectory. The next option in easing is bounce, and as the name suggests, this animation mimics the bouncing of a ball. In this animation, the object starts moving in the beginning, and towards the end it actually bounces towards its destination, as you can see from this example. And as we saw towards the beginning of the video, I have created and added 4 examples of animations on the screen, and I want you to guess which is which type of easing. And do let me know down in the comments if you can guess all of these. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and show some love. Share this video with your network so more people can learn the basics and the foundations of easing. And also do consider subscribing to this channel, as I'll be posting more such videos in the future for you. Thank you so much for watching.